Hi, I'm Holden Fewer. I am a second year at Mitchell Tech in the SCADA/automation program. Here to show you my second lab project of the year. This lab project uses machine simulator and will simulate the rock crusher. The rock crusher simulation is a perfect representation of what my company and I could provide for a safe, efficient, and effective work environment. Here's a quick little representation of what we'll see with the rock crusher simulation. First, the boulders are conveyed up with the flapper conveyor, then are conveyed around till they reach crusher number 1. Once they're at crusher number 1, they get crushed and then sift. The bottom loose rock goes to the bottom conveyor, while the structured rock stays on the top. It is crushed again and then put into boxes, which are then set to a certain scale pound and then shipped out to the customers. Here I'll show you a quick little glimpse of the HMI. Here is the root page or startup page. Here you will be able to see trends, alarms, and the main page. We'll click into the main page real quick. Here you can see the whole process: conveyor flap 4, conveyor 6, crushers, conveyor flap 1, conveyor flap 3, and the scale value. This will be also where you will be able to input what amount you would like. You can also return to the root page from the 3 buttons on the bottom. Next, we'll go into the trends, pushing the second button on the bottom. You can see our bag weight is the trend that we are following. Finally, we'll step into the alarms. As you can see, there's no alarms right now, but you could acknowledge set alarms and then return back to the main page. Finally, let's see what it does. As you can see, I bring up the HMI on the bottom right of your screen. We will go into the main page and start the system. As you can see, with the rocks moving and the box conveying over to the scale and showing on the HMI with green indications which outputs are energized. Is a good time to speak on when you are selecting a set bag amount or weight. The indicated selected amount will indicate green, showing that you are selecting that weight. You can also virtually stop or start the machine from the HMI, along with you can physically start and then represented it as an e-stop, stop the system as well. Finally, to wrap things up here, I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope I entertained and amused you a little. I also want to thank Josh Rankin for the wonderful opportunities that he provides here at Mitchell Tech. And with that, signing off, Holden Fewer, adios. Thank you.